Wait a minute, cut. Why did you start for said cut? I don't know. No. How do you A? Exactly. Where did the A go? What did you miss? For 32 everybody. We're second cut again. Already. No, actually. What did you mean? And some way swapped colors. Oh, oops. Okay. Let's gonna take 3. Wait, cut a different letter. What do you mean? D? Oh, it'll be the 5th accident. And I'll fishing right now. Busy. Oh well. And then we're back to do take 4. Why is it a red? Let's sticky letter form. Sticky letter form. That I stick to everything. Watch. Whoa. See? Oh. No. Oh. See. The A red. That's a sticky letter form. Sticky letter form. Yes, I stick to everything. Watch. Ooh. See? Oh. Right. Anyways, take 5. Oh man, cut. Another different letter. The next time. X. The Y. There's a Y that follows the good right now. Oh well, I'll just wait for the next day. And you will do take 6. Super card, why is be yellow? Because I'm a magnet. And then to run, now we'll do the next. Cut. Why is it not locker here? What was really don't you understand? And next to Mickey Mouse shorts. I have footage. My goodness. What is it? Yes, please. Was it gonna be a great time watching these Mickey Mouse shorts? Alright, guys. Look at movies. Movie theater. I had no idea. Or 4 movies in a row. That was a snake. Anyways, or the W to come back and then we'll do take 8. Commander cut also plated. Oh, a house plated. Let me disrupt. But use about to pop with slime. Oh well. Let's watch ourselves and do take 19. I mean 9. But why will your lamp here? Oh, I just replaced it. We'll do the 8. Go to bathroom again. Oh, it's just random poem right now. I have no footage. One was no footage. So now it's saying 28. Takes you. It's okay. Come back, then we'll do take 10. Cause what's it 2022 Subway logos here? Oh, this is the one be here. I can't. Oh, okay. Take 11. Okay, so far, so good. This means we can't. Ow. Jeez, that hurt. Oh, guess not cut. Can you are you okay? Yeah, I'm totally fine. You have to do somewhere else. Yeah, should. I hear sorry or. Hmm? Oh, that was odd. This is take 12 now. But we have a different letter again. What's next time? F. Just keep my places. That's how home with Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi, son. Okay. The rat was home and I do take 13. Because what is our mood doing here? Oh, don't use mistakes. The ones now in the series and don't be important, right? I'm sorry, I don't have the footage. It's only the footage. Anyways, S anytime. Order get the Called out, you don't want to rage try to house. S try to rage. Ranks you. I went back there to take 14. Cut, why is the leaf rock doing here? Oh, I just green being respected. I was just telling you the bee has gone fishing again. Oh, and here's G and E who gets watch the Bad Guys movie. Oh, I'm trying to use the Bad Guys movie. I didn't love going to movies. Oh well, I just wait for us to come back and we do take 15. Oh no, cut. Where did the cut again? Where the different colors again? Oh, the white bee. Oh, the WAY has PBS logo colors. Oh, oops. That's okay. This is what colors again. And take 16. Why is the Alan Becker here? Oh, I just used to refresh it. Let's play the sun right now. We swings. We. It's okay. This is for you to come back and it takes 17. Cut. He had different sample. 4, 5, 6. Oh. 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 I hate you. This is not mine. Take 18 out. What does that say? Subway. Oh, here's WLCB dolls with D and G. Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order? With hamburgers, fries, and soda, please. Okay, I come right up. There's so much waiting. Other do take 19. Cut. Why is it all strangely weird? We're not weird. Yeah. One of the reason why we're here. We're here. Also, we're letting new guests. Knocking the message. Knocking the door. Let's take 20. Oh, what's the mom here? Bird 20 blooper. Oh, the lights 20 blooper. They take 21.